friends, how are you all doing? It's Mimi here today, and today I will show you how to do a super easy 4-strand braid. Don't believe me? Keep watching. I personally stayed away from a 4-strand braid for a really long time because you guys know I like things that are easy, not complicated. I don't have time to spend, an hour doing a braid or whatever, a hairstyle. So when I watched some tutorials on 4-strand braid, they were really complicated and I was lost on the second minute. I was like, what is going on? So recently, because it's summer and it's hot, I do like to wear my hair in a braid, and I get tired of wearing it the same way all the time. So I was like, okay, I think it's time I learn how to do a 4-strand braid. So I watched like 20 different tutorials, and it was kind of frustrating at first, but I kept practicing and trying until I actually got it. And once I got it, I was like, okay, now I have a challenge. How do I make it easy for my viewers to understand how to do this look? So I think I know how to explain it now because I've been practicing it for days, not days, I've been practicing for a day, and I think I've got a hold of it very well, and that I can understand it in a simple way that I can explain it to you guys. So let's get into the 4-strand braid. For this look, you're not going to need much. You're just going to need a brush, and you will need these little see-through hair elastics that will match your hair color. You can get this in any dollar store or maybe beauty supply store. They're like really thin elastic bands. So first thing we're going to do is brush the hair, and I am wearing my Luxie hair extensions today in chocolate brown, 160 gram set. Whenever I do braids, I usually wear Luxies because it just adds, first of all, it adds length. My natural hair is kind of a little longer than my shoulders, but I just got it trimmed, so it's probably even shorter. It's somewhere here. And then, whenever you do a braid, it's kind of thin and not long, so adding Luxies is obviously giving it a very dramatic look, and it gives it so much volume and texture to work with. So I just clipped in my Luxies. I haven't really styled them. I washed them yesterday and just let them be, and they are kind of, you can see they're in a bit of a wavy texture. And my hair was straight, but I didn't bother blending it with my hair because I knew I was going to be braiding it today. So yeah, let's get to the braid. Brush the hair, and since it's a 4-strand braid, obviously you want to section your hair into 4 different parts. So first step is try to section your hair into 4 strands as equally as you can. I know it's not easy. I personally sometimes I'm not so great at measuring, but you just try to do your best. So you can see now I have 4 different strands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna give them numbers so it's easier when I work it, so you understand what I mean. So this is gonna be strand 1, this is gonna be strand 2, this is gonna be strand 3, and the last one is strand 4. So I will be starting braiding with strand 1. So the first step is take strand 1, bring it over strand 2 and under strand 3. And then you take strand 4 and you do the exact same thing, but you start with under and then over. So you go under strand 3 and over strand 2. And then you just keep doing the same thing. So again, strand 1 goes over and then under, and strand 4 goes under and then over. Again, strand 1 goes over, under, strand 4 goes under first and then over, over, under, and then over. So you keep doing the exact same thing. And then you can just secure it with an elastic band. And then you want to just pull on the hair to make the braid appear a little thicker. You can let some of the hair go loose. So this is what it looks like. Really beautiful, super easy, you guys. You just have to try it a few times. And This is your 4-strand braid. So right now I'll show you how to do the similar 4-strand braid, but we're going to be using a pretty headband like this. I got this at Aldo yesterday for like a few dollars, and it came on sort of like a plastic headband, but I took it off because all I need is the material to use as a weaving material in my braid. So we're going to be doing the exact same thing, but we're just going to add this material to the braid to make it more fun and more summery looking. And we're going to need the same. First step now is to take one of the elastics and make a ponytail here. And you can let some of the hair loose if you prefer that, if you have like a sort of side bangs, and then make a side ponytail. And then we're ready to braid after we add this. So what you want to do is just take one side of the headband and let it through the loop here in the ponytail. Oops. So you're gonna have it from both sides, and then you can pull on the hair. Alright, so now we're ready to braid. So we're gonna do the exact same thing again. So if you didn't get it in the first part of this tutorial, just pay attention to what I'm doing again. So I'm gonna be splitting the braid into 4 equal sections. So section 1, section 2, section 3, and section 4. Okay? So the first part is bringing section 1 over section 2 and under section 3. Like that. And then bringing section 4 under section 3 and over section 2. And that's all you do. You just do the exact same thing. So over, under, and then under, over on the other side. So over, under, and over, under, and over. And then again, over, under. I just really hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Under and over, under, and over. So this is where I'm gonna stop, and I'm just gonna need another elastic or 2 to tighten this, secure it at the end. And once I've secured it at the ends, I'm going to take the loose ends and just make a bow here. A cute, pretty bow at the ends. There you go. And then again, I'm going to just pull on the hair. And this is kind of what you have. It's very thick looking, obviously, because I do have the extensions and I did add the thread. So it looks very pretty, very springy, summery, really cute and different. I usually don't do this. I mean, this is actually my first time trying to, weave something into the braid, and I love it. I think I'm gonna wear it tonight. I'll be going out on a patio with some friends. So this is the hairstyle I'll be rocking tonight. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I hope you found this tutorial really simple and easy. Please don't forget to rate this video and leave a comment down below. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.